sparrow. I lived with my parents. One day, my parents told me, "You are a big bird, find your own food." I was happy. Soon I decided to fly out. I flew down to pick a few breadcrumbs on the footpath. Suddenly, I saw two hungry dogs running towards me. Bow, 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 bow. After that, I was chased by an eagle and many crows. A fat woman frightened me with a stick. I was alone. Soon, it started to rain heavily. I sat on the apple tree. I was feeling very hungry and sad. The apple tree took a pity on me and asked, "Why are you sad, my little bird?" I cried and said, "I had a bad day without home and food. I'm starving." And the kind tree said, "Don't worry, I can give you a shelter and food in my branches. Many birds live here." I was so thanked. I said, "Thank you," and I wiped my tears. Soon the rain stopped and I saw the old lady feeding the birds with the grains. I ate the grains and flew back to my new home, and I learned the first lesson of my life: never lose a hope. Such a nice lesson. So this indicates that never lose a hope. There will be a time. Then in the next, we're gonna know about a small story, which is like there was in the school, the teacher and students were going to the trip for zoo. One day, student asked the teacher, "Ma'am, this place is so nice. All animals are happy here." So teacher said, "No students, zoo is not happy place for animals." So student asked, they were curious, they asked, "Why, ma'am?" So teacher said, "See, forest is a happy place for animals because there all animals will live however they want and they eat what they want." So student asked, "Ma'am, here also people give food to animals, right?" So teacher said, "Yes, children, but animals are not happy. See how they are sad. See, students, this is a lion." Then the lion was speaking inside in their brains. What was that? Let's see. First lion said, "Why are you sad?" So one more lion said, "It's so noisy here. I really miss my forest. It's a quiet place." So first lion agreed. "Yes, it's true, but we don't have any option." So after this conversation, the teacher and everybody, they went and they said, "Come on, we shall go to the next animal. It is a chimpanzee." So teacher said, "See, students, this is a chimpanzee." So student said, "Ma'am, see how it is playing?" "Yes, okay, students, let's go to see the next animals." So this is a zebra. Likewise, all of them, they went to the trip of the zoo and they saw all the animals. In the next class, there is one more beautiful poem called Our Forest Friends. So let us listen to that poem.